Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful co-working space layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the co-working space layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really modern and clean, and you have custom icons included as well as images. So if you want to lay your hands on this beautiful layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free. So you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs, or you can scroll down until you come across the co-working space layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are included. So these are all available in Divi, and you can click on the View Live Demo button to be redirected. And over here, you can see all of the different layouts for yourself without actually installing them on your website first. So say, for instance, you really enjoy the landing page and you want to get started with it. You can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So once you start building a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the co-working space layout pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your design in general. So say, for instance, you want to play around with these scrolling effects. You can open the elements individually, go to the Advanced tab, go to the scroll effects, and over here you can play with the different values and tweak it to your needs. So let's change these values, for instance. Now you can see a more intense effect going on, and you can do the same for the second module over here. And just like that, you can customize everything to your own wishes using Divi's built-in options. So go ahead and play around with this layout pack in Divi and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.